Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to group elements here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Grouping elements in Canva is a straightforward process that allows you to move, resize, and modify multiple design elements together, making your design process easier. Once you are logged into your account, you can either choose a template that you wanted to work with, if you are not decided yet. But if you do have like an option in mind, just click on the Create a Design button on the upper left corner to start from scratch. In my case, I'm going to be choosing the YouTube thumbnail because after recording this video alongside with the thumbnail, I'm going to upload it in our GPLAF's YouTube channel. Now, here, I'm going to upload a certain image and I'm going to group all of them, right? Elements are found here in the left side panel of your dashboard, wherein you have the access to shapes, photos, images, stickers, videos, and a lot more. I'm going to go to the videos. Say, for example, I wanted to use something like this video right here. And on the photos on the left side, go to the elements. Maybe I'm going for the... I'm going to go for the stickers right here. This one. Right? And then maybe I'm gonna add another element like a text. Resize it to 100 maybe. And of course I can add another background at the end. I'm gonna be choosing this right here. And of course, another element, again on the left side. Over to elements. Now, I'm gonna go something like a video right here. I'm gonna click this right here. Say I'm gonna be choosing this fire. And I'm gonna put it right maybe at the back. Now, for you to be able to group elements here, all I have to do is click the first element, press Shift on your keyboard. After pressing Shift, hold that Shift, all right? Click the elements that you wanted to put together. Click that, here, and that. What will happen is, there's gonna be a small box that says Group. And if you click on it, you would be able to group them all together at once, all right? Making the resizing, copying, all at once very easy. If I copy this on a new tab, or a new page, I'm sorry, it would be a lot easier. I can resize it for whatever I wanted. Duplicate the elements together without any issues. Right here. As you can see it from the way I move every option here. See that? This is one of the biggest convenience when you group all elements together. Now, after doing so, try to click on the plate to make sure that the elements will behave as one unit. Again, you can move, resize, or rotate them together. Of course, you can still edit the individual items within the group by double-clicking the group to enter it. And from there, it helps your design consistent, especially when you are working with repeated elements across different pages or sections. Grouping elements also helps you organize complex designs by reducing clutter in the layers panel. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.